Hi, this is Dorothy Kelty from LineDotArrow, and in August I was a guest design team member on the Facebook group for LineDotArrow. Natalie Heine sent me her signed, sealed, and delivered kit and the add-on kit, and I will tell you, this is absolutely gorgeous papers and stuff. This is something that I'm going to be using a lot as time goes by. So I want to thank you for watching my channel, Raccoon Alley Creations on YouTube, and I hope you'll like and comment on this video and subscribe. It really helps me when you do that. Okay, so to start off with this, I used a priority mailbox from the post office. I thought that was really appropriate with the signed, sealed, and delivered kit. And I happened to have this string that was blue and white and red and white, so I used that to sew in the 3 signatures. On the cover, I have these real postage stamps, vintage postage stamps, in little frames and stuff attached to it. And the closure, the elastic closure, has some beads decorating it. Okay, so when you open it up, I am not going to go over every little addition to this. All the digitals were from Natalie's group, so every time you see something wonderful and amazing, you can just, go to the kits and get it, okay? I did use some other papers like this vintage stationery. That's one of my favorite things to use. And I did like this stationery, this pocket, fold-out pocket from an envelope. That's something that I already had, but I added into this. Now, again, vintage lined paper, the digitals. I had the video on how to make these page edges, and I use them there and as a belly band. Very simple. I had a couple collage pieces on this on the inside, but it's just a journaling card, and you have a tuck spot here if you want to add something to that there as well. Okay, some more. One of the reasons I like using these different papers is because for the way they feel. This vintage kind of marbly paper feels different from this ledger paper, which feels different from the avocado dyed paper. So I think that all the different textures and things just make the journal more fun. This is an over-the-corner pocket. I had a video on how to do this. We have both sides can be used as a tuck spot. This could be attached either here or here to be used as a pocket, but on this one I just left it as a tuck spot. And something could be tucked up here, plus we have 2 pockets. So this goes into the, there's a playlist for this video so you can see how I made the different things that I made for this. String's getting caught. So I use scraps of fabric, for some of the clusters and stuff. I believe this cluster was cut off one of the strips that I made for the edge pages. Tea-dyed or coffee-dyed doilies, all kinds of different paper and different textures in this. We do have some pockets, but I wanted to use this mainly for journaling. This is going to be donated to a charity for abused women and children in town, and so I thought that the journaling space might be nice for someone to have. And it's going to be a silent auction, so someone will be buying it. This is a flip, so you just lift this piece up and the other pages flip up for additional writing space. Here we have an envelope, and this is another post office envelope that's in here where you can add things to it. And because it's vellum, you can see things through when you put things in. Another belly band, more vintage paper and avocado dyed paper. This is calligraphy paper. This is the background you use for lining. This was the flap that came through from another page, and I just added this page edge thing and glued it top to bottom to make a pocket for it. So more. All of these digitals are Natalie's, and they're all just absolutely beautiful. So I really encourage you to go to her shop and buy the kit. So just a tuck spot. So this paper is perfectly fine for journaling on, but it also can be a good place to add it. I added a vintage postcard to this tuck spot. This is a peekaboo pocket. So what that means is I glued these three pieces together in such a way that when you put something through it, it peeks out the bottom and you can see it. And then we have this. Actually I did just a couple days ago after Natalie posted her video on how to make this pocket. As you can see, this back pocket has these tags, is a trifold journaling card, and then this comes over and tucks underneath that little circle to hold it closed. And then we have these tags in these other spaces. So really a fun little design. I'm intending to make some more of these. This was actually just my sample when Natalie was posting the video. I wanted to try it. This is another tuck spot here, and rectangular doily. Now I just thought this was so pretty, and the way the avocado paper comes through it is pretty. This is another tuck spot, and this is a tuck spot going across the page. This other side of the doily I folded up and glued together to make another pocket here. And here's a tuck spot with some more vintage paper, or pocket I mean. So, you know, lots of beautiful, beautiful pages. On the back here, I've glued this. Now this is similar to the pocket Natalie did, but I call this a mountain pocket. So if I hadn't put the string through here, you would actually be able to unfold it and get a hidden journaling spot. But right now we just have these tuck spots for different things. Another tuck spot there. So that's the journal. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It was a privilege to use Natalie's gorgeous papers and be a guest design team member. Thank you very much for allowing me to do this, Natalie. And I will see you all soon. Please subscribe to my channel to see what else I do this month, and come back and visit again. Thank you.